Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm taking you on an exterior and interior tour and hill climb video of the 2023 Bugatti Bolide from the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Bolide, which is limited to just 40 examples, has been designed to take Bugatti's already high level of performance to another level by introducing less weight, track focus upgrades and more power. Based only on the powertrain from Chiron, Bolide comes with a new steel and carbon fibre architecture and braking and suspension system and weighs just 1240 kilograms. As mentioned, this lightweight, track-only car is based on the mid-rear mounted 8-litre W16 that we see in Chiron, but here we find new turbos and new lubrication and cooling systems to handle the extra power. The Bolide concept produced 1850 horsepower and 1850 Nm of torque, with the production cars offering 1600 horsepower, enabling the car to offer track performance while retaining its 500 km/h plus top speed. At each corner we find 18-inch front and 19-inch rear lightweight magnesium wheels that weigh just 7.4 kilograms at the front and 8.4 kilograms at the rear. The car's stability is provided by a new F1 inspired pushrod system. The bespoke, track-orientated body clearly has aero in mind, as it produces 2600 kilograms of downforce at 320 km/h, 198 miles per hour. At the front, we find familiar but far more angular forms that serve the car's high downforce and cooling targets. There are two large vents coming out of the front, helps to release hot air from the front radiators and push the car down as it's sent over the roof. On either side of this, we find two large channels that flow from front to rear. These help to control lateral airflow and direct air directly into the rear radiators for engine cooling. Outside of the channels and on top of the front arches, we find louvres that aim to release air, improving front stability. Behind these, we come to the slim, lightweight wing mirrors and the simple door release pins. Moving down, we find large open channels that allows air to flow from the front, reducing resistance. These also help to control lateral airflow and direct air into the rear radiators for engine cooling. As we continue back, we find air release vents behind the rear arches. These allow hot air to be released from the radiators, enhancing cooling. If we move back up to the roof, we find a large F1 inspired snorkel that sends air directly to the engine for induction. Moving back from this, we find a large dorsal wing that helps lateral stability. At the end of the dorsal wing, we come to the adjustable main, two-level rear wing that produces a large proportion of the car's downforce. Moving down from the wing, we come to the new quad exhaust outlets with the X-pattern braking lights on either side. At the bottom of the rear, we find the large carbon diffuser that works to control rear airflow. Now looking inside, we find a very sparse, track-focused interior. There are three digital displays above a very angular steering wheel that has controls of various race and communication systems. The central column to the right contains controls for systems such as the ignition, lights, engine stop and ventilation. There are also two carbon bucket seats with harnesses. We can now view Bolide take on the Festival of Speed hill climb. So that concludes my exterior and interior tour and hill climb video of the 2023 Bugatti Bolide from the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for the latest content.